Government, in conjunction with Environmental Protection Agency EPA, have decided to help the youth to bring out the best in them through climate change arena. Speaking at the pre-COP27 National Youth Summit, Mr. Intribuisiako, the Deputy National Coordinator for NAP project for the Environmental Protection Agency, said they were building a lot of capacity trainings among the young people in order to nurture their talents and bring out what is in them. According to him, the youth shouldn't be complacent but should be more innovative and look for more avenues where they can exhibit their talent to be beneficial to both the local and international level.
I'm trying to build a lot of capacity among the young people. Last year I had the opportunity to attend their program. I promised them that we're going to support them as government to be able to bring their capacities up. And so for me it's a good thing, because in terms of succession plan, if you have a good crop of young people building themselves in the climate change arena, it's going to be helpful for the country, and so we need to support it. What they need to do is not to be complacent, but to be more innovative and look for more avenues where they can exhibit their talents for Ghana and also for the world. Yeah.
The Executive Coordinator with Strategic Youth Network for Development, Mr. Ezekiel Chibeze, added that the purpose of the summit was to allow the young people to get to learn and appreciate what goes into COP negotiations and also have the chance to dialogue with Ghana's climate change negotiators. Moreover, climate change have had adverse and ripple effects, but simultaneously, it is also an opportunity for young people to look out and create job opportunities from it rather than sitting aloof to become vulnerable to the climate change. Mr. Chibeze further added that SYND has created a hub known as Young Green Entrepreneurs, where young people are turning organic waste into green energy or fuel, and that alone had solved unemployment, deforestation, and demonstrating climate solutions from the youth perspective.
The Pre-COP National Youth Summit is an avenue for young people to get to learn and appreciate what goes into COP negotiations, and also have the chance to dialogue with Ghana's climate change negotiators. So that if they have any concerns, any views, they can, inform the negotiators for the climate negotiations in COP27. Usually, the government of Ghana will organize a national pre-COP meeting, but for us as young people, we felt it is important to also organize a special session for us, so young people can also meet, create a space for ourselves, and also share our views on COP27. And one unique thing about this year's meeting is that for the first time, the government of Ghana has commenced a program to train young negotiators. And we are happy that today some of them are on board to also dialogue with their colleague young people on what they've gone through so far and what they are also expecting for COP27. In the coming years, we want to see young people playing active role in all areas, at the policy level and also at the community level. We don't want to leave them behind. Usually one of the biggest challenges is about the capacity to engage. So our platform creates that space for young people to build the capacity to learn more. So when they get a chance to meet the policymakers and decision makers, they can be bold, they can be confident to also share their views and their concerns. So my expectation is that in the near future, young people in Ghana should be seen to be playing key active roles in climate solutions at all levels, both at the government level and also the local level.
A member of the climate change, Safo Dankwa, threw more light on the impact and benefits of how the summit will be to the youth and the young people.
Is to place the various demands of young people concerning the climate crisis before climate negotiators in Ghana, because we've realized that anytime these negotiations go on at the various COPs, most of the times the interest of young people are not placed up front. And so this conference is seeking to help young people engage with these negotiators so that they will also be aware of what are really on their heart that they want to be done as part of the development process in Ghana.